and I'll be talking about decision making in STC. Firstly is information overload. What is information overload? Which is STC frequently engaged in acquiring or partnering with tech companies to expand its offering. As example, STC 2020 evaluate a deal to purchase Vodafone Egypt for 2.4 million, which is involve analyzing a vast amount of financial, regulatory, and market data. The evidence show they decided not to proceed with the deal after extensive analysis both parties. The process shows which is costs and benefits, which is STC continuously invests in expanding and upgrading its network infrastructure to provide reliable and high-speed connectivity. From the cost, which chase expenses related to maintaining the network, infrastructure, salaries, marketing, and customer service. Decision making is uncertainty. 5G service present a significant challenge due to uncertainty about the technology rate. The evidence show STC was one of the first telecom operators in the region which is invest heavily in 5G infrastructure. The uncertainty around customer is demanded and competitions from other providers. They get risky decisions at the time. Finally, the subsequent global economic downturn and pandemic, which is these added layers of uncertainty to their investment strategy.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Ain Zamri. So now I will continue the discussion making challenge for Saudi telecommunication company. The third challenge faced by telecommunication companies, especially during the early stage of COVID-19, was time pressure. Telecom companies had to quickly enhance their digital infrastructure to support remote work and online learning. Swift decision making was essential to meet the sudden surge in demand for telecom service. A suggestion to address this challenge is to implement automation technology. This technology could help accelerate decision making and project execution, particularly during critical situations like the pandemic. The last challenge is conflicting objective. The company had to balance its profitability, national development role, and customer satisfaction. In 2020, new data pricing model were introduced to reflect the increased usage of service, but these models were criticized for being too expensive, which led to conflict between the company business goal and customer retention. A suggestion for this challenge is to introduce trial pricing plan. This will allow the company to cater to a diverse range of customer needs without compromising profitability. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Farhana and I'll be talking about how transformational leadership plays a vital role in the success of Saudi Telecom Company, which is STC. Transformational leadership is all about inspiring innovation, fostering collaboration, and motivating employees to achieve beyond expectations. At STC, this leadership style has been instrumental in driving digital transformation and maintaining its position as a market leader in the telecom and technology industries. Now, let's dive into why transformational leadership is a perfect fit for STC. First, transformational leadership at STC focuses on creating a vision-driven culture. Next, transformational leadership drives innovation and intellectual stimulation. A notable example is the development of STC Pay, a digital payment platform. Leaders empowered cross-functional teams, encouraged creative problem-solving, and supported risk-taking to develop a secure and user-friendly platform. Another key element of transformational leadership at STC is individualized consideration. This approach has boosted employee loyalty and morale, crucial for thriving in a fast-paced sector like telecommunications. However, there are challenges that come with transformational leadership. For example, resistance to change is common when introducing new technologies or processes. Balancing innovation with risk management is another hurdle, where clear boundaries for experimentation are essential. Additionally, ethical concerns such as data privacy and cybersecurity require leaders to uphold the highest standards to maintain customer trust. In conclusion, STC's adoption of transformational leadership has driven significant achievements such as the success of STC Pay and advancements in digital services. By doing so, STC can continue to inspire innovation, adapt to challenges, and maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving technology landscape. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amal Izani binti Abdul Rahman, and today I want to share about visionary leadership at Saudi Telecom Company STC and how it aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. Visionary leadership is a leadership style that focuses on creating a clear and inspiring vision to motivate an organization toward achieving long-term goals. In fast-changing industry like telecommunication, this leadership style is essential for innovation and competitiveness. It has transformed the telecommunication industry in the Middle East by focusing on three key areas: 5G deployment, human capital development, and innovation with sustainability. First, my point is pioneering 5G deployment. Under the leadership of CEO Alain Alwitan, STC has taken a forward-thinking approach to revolutionize connectivity in Saudi Arabia. STC was the first company to launch 5G in Saudi Arabia, a milestone in the nation's digital transformations. By 2022, it expanded 5G coverage to over 90% of urban areas including Riyadh and Jeddah. The impact of 5G deployment can enhance internet speed and reliability for users, also supported key industries like healthcare, logistics, and education. STC also partnered with global leaders like Huawei, Ericsson to integrate IoT and AI into smart city infrastructure and industrial automation. My next point about visionary leadership style of STC company is human capital development. Visionary leaders understand that an organization's success depends on its people. The STC Academy equips employees with advanced digital and leadership skills. STC also made the Future Leader program to build both technical and soft skills to prepare employees for future challenges. STC also made collaboration with top institutions such as STC work with the University of Michigan and IMD to offer world-class training. This initiative supports Vision 2030 goals of creating a skilled, diverse, and future-ready workforce. Last but not least, my next point about visionary leadership style of STC company is innovation and sustainability. Visionary leadership at STC emphasizes balancing technological advancement with environmental sustainability. STC partnered with Ericsson to optimize energy usage in its data centers, reducing its carbon footprint. Collaborate with the National Research Center for Sustainable Agriculture to promote sustainable farming practice using technology. This effort aligns with the broader goals of Vision 2030 by reducing carbon emission and promoting a sustainable digital ecosystem. In summary, STC visionary leadership has been instrumental in first, pioneering 5G deployment, making Saudi Arabia a leader in telecommunication. Second, investing in human capital development to build a future-ready workforce. And the last one, driving innovation and sustainability for a balanced and environmentally responsible future. This initiative not only contribute to STC success but also support Saudi Arabia Vision 2030 and set an example for companies worldwide.
Hi, my name is Shazwana Ayuni binti Shardin, and I'm going to continue with the cybersecurity concerns trends that could impact the company. With the growth of this mid-sized company, STC may need to handle a lot of sensitive data, such as customer card credit information that might be a target for the hackers. It becomes critical to protect against breaches and data theft. For question number 2, cybersecurity concerns might be the opportunities to the company. STC can strengthen customer trust by taking the best step to handle cybersecurity risks to keep their data safe. Next, STC can open new market by making partnership with Cisco to guarantee the safety. However, the threats that STC face is financial and operational that might be costly and taking a long time service interaction that may lower the company profits. Lastly, for question number 3, the other plan is multi-factor authentication. STC can set up extra layers of security such as fingerprint and code sent to your phone for login into accounts. Next, keep track of all login attempts will protect the information very well. That's all from me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Irfani Nabila and I will talk about management trend and issue that could impact STC. First, higher customer expectation is one of the trends that this company is facing. Customers saying that they got bad experience by using the service, and some also say that this company stole their money because the internet is not working well as the company promised. The users also complained about the customer service which didn't support English and using full Arabic. Digital transformation. By this trend, companies are crucial to meet the growing demand for high-speed connectivity and digital application among users. So, the company serve many internet packages to users and application to attract customers to use their service. For the next question, I'm going to continue with impact of this trend to the STC. By this trend, we can see that higher customer expectation could be opportunity to the company because they could enhance their service to meet the customer demand, and because this company could also develop a better strategy by using 5G. But this also could be threat to STC because this company could suffer a loss because they fail to gain trust among the users and will make the investor share price decrease. For the last question is implementation plan to address one of the trend which is cyber security concern. STC can strengthen security infrastructure by use the latest firewalls, intrusion detection system or IDS, intrusion prevention system or IPS. This could protect end-to-end data including sensitive information. Next is industry collaboration with other companies so they can share information about latest cyber threat and conducting research and development R&D together. So that's all from me. Thank you.